Mercedes. This is one of the most successful teams in modern Formula One, operated by the German automobile manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. The team's current era began in 2010 when Mercedes returned as a full works team after purchasing Braun GP. What makes Mercedes different is its dominance during the hybrid engine era starting in 2014, where the team won multiple consecutive Constructors' Championships. Its combination of advanced engineering, powerful hybrid power units, and strong leadership made it a defining force in the sport and a symbol of modern Formula One excellence. Red Bull Racing. This team is owned by the Austrian energy drink company Red Bull and entered Formula One in 2005 after purchasing the Jaguar Racing Team. Red Bull quickly became known for bold design and aggressive racing strategies under the technical leadership of renowned engineers. What sets the team apart is its focus on aerodynamic innovation and its driver development program that produces top talent. Red Bull became a dominant force in the early 2010s and again in the 2020s, making it one of the most competitive teams in the championship. Ferrari. Ferrari is the oldest and most iconic team in Formula One, representing the Italian luxury sports car manufacturer founded by Enzo Ferrari. The team has competed in every Formula One season since the championship began in 1950. What makes Ferrari unique is its deep racing heritage and passionate global fan base known as the Tifosi. Ferrari's long history, legendary drivers, and numerous championships have made it one of the most recognizable names in motorsport. McLaren. McLaren is a British Formula One team founded by New Zealand driver Bruce McLaren in 1963. The team became one of the sport's most successful organizations during the 1970s, 1980s, and 1990s with legendary drivers and groundbreaking technology. McLaren is known for its engineering innovation, including advances in carbon fiber chassis design. Its long history of championships and iconic drivers helped shape Formula One and maintain its reputation as a historic powerhouse. Aston Martin. Aston Martin's current Formula One team evolved from the former Racing Point organization and rebranded under the famous British luxury car brand in 2021. Although the Aston Martin name has appeared in Formula One before, this modern team represents a new era backed by significant investment. What makes the team different is its ambition to compete with the sport's top teams while carrying the heritage of a historic automotive brand. Its rapid development and experienced drivers have made it a rising competitor. Alpine. Alpine represents the performance division of the French automaker Renault and competes as the manufacturer's official Formula One team. The organization has deep roots in the sport, originally competing under the Renault name before adopting the Alpine branding in 2021. What sets Alpine apart is its focus on French engineering and its long involvement in developing Formula One engines. The team plays an important role in maintaining France's presence in the championship. Williams. Williams is one of the most historic independent teams in Formula One, founded by Sir Frank Williams and Patrick Head in 1977. The team rose to dominance during the 1980s and 1990s with several drivers and constructors' championships. Williams became famous for pioneering engineering innovations and for giving opportunities to talented drivers. Despite facing challenges in recent years, the team remains an important part of Formula One history and identity. AlphaTauri. AlphaTauri is a team owned by the Red Bull Company and serves as a development team for young drivers in the Red Bull Racing program. The team originally was Minardi, a smaller Italian team that competed in Formula One for many years before being purchased by Red Bull in 2005 and renamed Toro Rosso. What makes AlphaTauri unique is its role as a training ground for future champions while still competing independently. The team occasionally produces surprising results and race victories. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo's recent Formula One presence came through a partnership with the Swiss-based Sauber team. Although the Alfa Romeo brand is historic in racing, the modern team structure is operated by Sauber while carrying Alfa Romeo branding. What distinguishes this team is its blend of Italian racing heritage with Swiss engineering organization. The partnership helped bring renewed attention to a classic automotive name within modern Formula One. Haas. Haas is the first American Formula One team to compete in decades and was founded by entrepreneur Gene Haas in 2016. The team entered the championship with a unique business model that relies on partnerships with established manufacturers for many technical components. What makes Haas different is its streamlined structure and close collaboration with Ferrari for engine and technical support. The team represents the United States in Formula One and plays a role in expanding the sport's global reach.